Alright, so if you have a Q360 and the gears are, or when it's running you hear kind of a ticking noise and it's not really changing gears, well usually what I do is you start off with your gear set, and when it first happens with the customer I'll buy them, or I'll get a second one and replace it, but I have them hold on to the old one. Here's one that's missing some gears because when after they have a second gear set, they basically have enough gears where if it happens again, you don't have to buy a whole new one. You can go ahead and just replace the gears individually. So what you start off is they got at the top of each of these posts here. Let's see if I can pick this up now that I popped it out. You got these little retainers. Yeah. Anyways, you pop them off the post here. If we look, you can see these bottom ones are kind of sheared, so that's what's kind of causing it to stop changing gears. So then what you do is you unstack them, and then you find the bad ones, and you take the new set, or the old set that you had them hold on to, or if you just have one on the truck, if you're a service guy or whatever, and then you just take any of the ones that are still good off that one, and you just stack them back up and replace them and put the retaining rings back in, and then that should cause the issue. The only other time I've seen a Q360 make a kind of popping noise or ticking noise where it wasn't changing gears, sounded like something was skipping a cog or something, is I had the bottom of the propeller was shaved down a little bit and it was causing the same issue. But if you have the Q360 from BlueSquare for your in-floor system and it's not changing gears, this is kind of what you want to look at and how to go about as far as fixing it.